Hey friends, if you encounter the issue runtime error R6025 pure virtual function call, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So it's not very difficult to fix this problem. You have to reinstall the program which is problematic. So search for the program. Let's say that it was ShareX. Simply uninstall it and then search for the Microsoft Store or whatever the source is. And then I will search for the program in the search bar, but I'll wait for it to load first. And hit enter. Go to ShareX, click on install. The next solution is to update Windows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Click on check for updates in the right pane. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is to reinstall Microsoft C++ redistributable. Search for Microsoft C++ redistributable in the browser search bar. Go to the main page, scroll down and then click on the x64 version. Click on open to install it. Wait till it loads. Click on repair and this way you can install it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.